right, we apologize for the interruption, but I want to take you live to Capitol Hill, where you can see that police have arrived on the Hill and they are starting to arrest protesters. This is the hearing for the health care bill that is before the Senate right now. Let's just listen in.
Okay, the committee is in recess. The committee will be in recess until we get order.
Well, those were some of the faces of the health care debate that you've been hearing from and seeing arrested, including wheelchair-bound protesters in this Senate chamber. There was a hearing supposed to happen about 10 minutes ago on the so-called Graham-Cassidy health care bill. That is now going to be recessed because these protesters have disrupted this hearing. They are clearly opposed. There you see Senator Lindsey Graham. He's one of the co-sponsors of this bill, which critics say would drastically cut Medicaid, which also might threaten patients' abilities to get health care if they have pre-existing conditions. And what we saw in the Senate chamber here was a lot of people that clearly do have medical conditions that would qualify them as pre-existing conditions. So again, this debate continues, and often we talk about it without actually getting to see the faces of the people and millions of people whose health care is up for debate in Congress right now. And today we see that they're shouting no cuts to Medicaid in the Senate chamber. And again, they have successfully delayed the hearing on the Graham-Cassidy bill, which we were planning to cover live, and we'll continue to follow this. We are also waiting a White House briefing to come soon, and we'll have that for you here live as well.